Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be reviewing a product that you need if you work on most new German vehicles, even older ones as well, past 2000. If you're working on Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagens, and even the new, some Fords and Chevys use them, you can notice that the inner door panels actually use rivets right here. So that panel attaches to the door with rivet only. Of course, you can use screws like that, but they have to be fat, short screws, so it's not in the way of the window, and it's not recommended because the rivet is way better as well. So today we'll be reviewing a product that some of you might need if you work on that. We used to use a rivet gun, okay, this rivet gun right here, that does the job really good for most things, but unfortunately, guys, the Mercedes rivet gun, okay, the Mercedes rivet gun uses a 1/4 inch rivet. That's 1/4, 6.4 millimeter, and they don't fit in this one, and you cannot do it. Aluminum rivet, 6.4. So we decided to give this one a try right here. That's a heavy duty rivet gun that's very affordable. Here you have the labels that it tells you what you can do: 3.2, 4 millimeter, 4.8, 6 and 6.4. You can do up to 6.4 steel, which means that 6.4 for aluminum, it's not a problem at all. And once you're done, okay, it's supposed to catch your rivet stems right here, so you don't make a mess anywhere. Those are the different ends that it comes with. Okay, so today we'll be, okay, those are the rivets that we're using right here. We'll be putting that thing to the test and see if it actually works. So you know, if you're working on anything like that, where to get one, check out the description of the video for more details. So we get the rivet, a 1/4 inch, which is a 6.4 millimeter aluminum rivet, heavy duty rivets. You can see how easy that thing is, collects them, okay, in that tank right here, so you don't have those rivet stems everywhere on the floor and you have to pick up one by one, because if you do quite a bit of work, it gets annoying. Okay, so we will keep doing that to the rest of the door. You can see how quick it is, and it's so easy to use. You have to be careful around our computers. Okay, perfect. So you can see we're doing the whole thing, works amazing. We'll definitely recommend the tool. You can find more about the tool in the description of the video. Hopefully it was helpful, guys, to some of you that are trying to figure out that. Thank you for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.